Real estate is no longer just an asset class, it's a cornerstone of smart investing. Today, major institutions and financial experts recognize that a well-balanced portfolio isn't complete without a substantial allocation to real estate. But here's the catch: real estate isn't like stocks or bonds. It's a unique, dynamic market, and making the most of it requires knowledge, strategy, and data. That's where we come in. Pries Capital's real estate training courses are your gateway to mastering the real estate game. We've honed the perfect blend of strategy and data to bring rigor to this industry. The shift is obvious, it's in the air. We're witnessing a cultural transformation in real estate, driven by new generations of industry professionals who understand the power of knowledge. Whether you're just starting your real estate journey or a seasoned pro, get ready for a game-changing experience. Our courses aren't just cutting edge, they're beyond. We're teaching what no one else does, the secrets to success in a rapidly evolving industry. This isn't just an exciting time, it's revolutionary. Join us at Pries Capital, where the future of real estate is waiting to be unlocked.